Good day to all of you, my beautiful traders. My name is Zach, I'm from Harvest Trade, and I'm glad to welcome you to our new video. Today, as always, I'll first of all try my absolute best to make this video as much useful as it can be for you. And also, we are going to make two new deals with our currency pairs, and we are going to analyze them and understand why my decision on going down or up was like that. So if you are ready to get some more new knowledge about the trading, I welcome you to our video, and let's get started and let's get to our first pair for today. As you can see that our first pair for today is the pair of euro and Canadian dollar, and I can tell you that this is hell of a pair. And I believe that for everyone who is doing trading, it's very important to learn how to trade not just with very simple pairs which are moving logically, but also with the pair that have been shaky, and we for sure can handle it. I'm sure about that. And right now I see that this pair will go up, and now I will explain to you why. As you can see on your screen that you can count how many? 1, 2, 3, 4 resistance lines for a very short period of time. And even though after those resistance lines have been reached, our pair for sure had to do a correction and go down on the price, and the huge impulses down happened. But even though our pair reached its minimum values, and it was like a local minimum with a very small price, after that it started bouncing back to its high prices. And here I see two options of how this pair can move. First of all, I can expect a huge impulse up again, like it happened before, but like vice versa when it was huge impulses down. Or the second option is this pair will grow slowly but very confidently. From this pair, most likely we will see movement like this. It will grow a bit, then it will grow a bit, then we might see some impulse. Maybe it will be huge, maybe it will be like middle impulse, and after that some correction of the price will happen. Why I expect it to be like this? Because I don't expect this pair to grow too much right now, because I see this pair moving confidently but not crazy confidently. And I think that we are still can expect some correction of the price if the impulse up happen. Now guys, let's talk about the problem that most beginners have. The problem that most beginners have is the fact that they are not ready to analyze how our pairs are working. And I would say that most of people, they immediately, like in a week, maybe in a month, if they are like being lucky enough to survive with their deposit for a month, they just treated trading like gambling. They didn't want any analysis of the pairs. They didn't want to spend enough time to understand how this thing works, and they simply lose their interest. So if you are new to trading, you have a very important goal. You need to make sure that in the next 1 to 4 weeks, you not lose interest to trading because of some losses, some stupid losses you made. And to not make it happen, you need to understand right away that you need to gain some experience and knowledge. Trading can be easy for people who put enough time and enough effort to understand how it works. And believe me that most beginners, they just take it like a casino. And people who take trading like a casino, they never succeed long term. It's just simply impossible to do so. And now guys, as you can see on the screen, that our first pair for today gave us plus. And it's amazing for me to see. I always enjoy the moment where logic works, when pair moves exactly like I thought it would, and there were no stupid impulses which could spoil everything. And also guys, I would like to remind you once again that you should not first of all forget to subscribe to our channel. This step is important for you and for me as well. And also don't forget that you have the link down below in the description, a link that you can join our Telegram channel, first of all, our free channel, and also VIP team. VIP team where people are making money. We are making sure that they get 8 signals per day. I always talk with my team about their results, how we can make things work better. And if you want to be the person who is treated with respect and with desire to make more money, then you for sure need to join our VIP team. We are waiting for you for sure. And now, guys, to continue our video, to continue our session, we are going to work with the pair of British pounds and Japanese yens. And this is a very, very interesting pair to work with. I see a lot of logical movement here, and I'm sure that this pair will again bring us the plus. I can tell you right away that I believe that the price on this pair will go down for sure. And now let me explain you why. First of all, I see how our pair confidently moved down until it reached its minimum local price. And it was maybe like a historical minimum, I'm not sure. But after it was reached, our pair grew again. It was super logical movement from this pair, and it was very confident again. Yes, there was like ups and downs, but not impulses, not huge impulses down when the price started to grow. So uptrend that started was logical and confident and not slow, but not too fast. When it's too fast, it's not safe, I would say. It's better when the pair is moving logical, quite slowly, and you literally can see how the trend is growing. Then, guys, what happened? I see how our pair, after reaching the resistance line, moved very logically. Correction had to happen, and it really happened. Correction of the price usually happens when our pair reaching its resistance line, and after that, it's like just logical to see a little bit of fall of the price before it moves up again. And here exactly that happened. I expected to see a historical maximum of the price of this pair, and it happened because after a little bit of correction, our pair moved up again and reached the maximum price it had. And now we can see what? After resistance line, again, one more resistance line, but resistance line that was historical maximum, our pair had to fall in price again. And here, yes, I can expect some impulses up and down, but I believe that after this resistance line was reached, now I think that the downtrend started, and I think that this downtrend will be quite a long one. We can literally see on the screen how this pair in a short time, quite short time, moved from its minimum price to a maximum, to a historical maximum. And after pair reaches its historical maximum, usually the correction happens and then downtrend starts, because otherwise it will grow even more and it will bring more chaos, and this will not be good at all. A nice thing about trading is that you can start trading at any age, basically. I work with people who are like 18, and I work with people who are like 60. But the thing is, they all making the same mistakes. Only people who came to me with the phrase like, man, I want to understand how to trade. I don't want to lose my money in 1 week. I want to learn how to be logical in what I'm doing. Only those people are surviving, and not just surviving, but they are learning how to make a lot of money. And those people end up with like fanciest cars, bigger houses, happier women, and all of that. Now, guys, we can take a look at the screen and see how our second currency pair for today also give us plus. And I want to remind you once again, guys, that first of all, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Very, very simple thing to do, but how much experience, how much knowledge it will give you, you won't even believe. And also, please don't forget to join our VIP team in Telegram. You have a link down below in the description that you can join our Telegram with. And we are going to make sure that you not just only gain money, you receive money while you are learning, but you also become a person who can also trade yourself, because I don't need people who will only depend on me until the end of the time. I want people to really understand every step I'm doing so they can make those steps as well. I was super happy to make another video for you. I enjoy explaining how trading works because trading is my true passion. I'm glad that I found trading for myself, and I want you to find trading for yourself as well if you've not found it yet. So guys, Zach from How We Trade was with you. I wish all of you to have a fantastic day. Bye-bye.